I didn't know this before. I didn't notice it. So yeah. This is like the trend jar. I don't know. But this is the keep, and this is the not keep. It's very cutesy. I like it. Keep.
Ang driving range nito ay 50 kilometers at ang combined range naman ay 1,175 kilometers.
Yeah. Keep. Definitely keep.
Premium hybrid sedan na kayang tumakbo ng higit 1,100 kilometers at below 1 million pesos. Oh my God!
I like pink. So keep. Keep. I like flowers. Why is it so dark? When I was just cleaning my room, I see this keep, I guess. They have a lot. You have a partner. Keep. Definite keep.
Malinis, ang ilaw nito magkadugtong magkabilaan. Meron pa sa third breaker doon sa ibabaw. Apat yung charging sensors at rear
Not keep. I'm not a big fan of Kuromi and a yellow. Sorry.
Ito yung dynamic. Pero tingnan yung maigi ha. Ceiling pa lang yung materials na ginamit.
Not keep.
Yung build quality, napakaganda. Sa ibabaw, may warranty. Dito sa unahan,
It says hi.
Keep. 12.8 inches at rotating pa siya.
They have a lot.
Ang instrument cluster, 8 inches dito, kompleto rin.
Oh my God! This is heaven.
Ito, kaya wala siyang tachometer. Nandito, so merong dial dito na nakalagay, charge sa batang ilalim,
Keep. Definite keep.
So, depende na yan kung nag-charge ba yung makina through regenerative braking, kung nasa-charge, or pag matipid ka mag-drive, nasa eco, or pagka
So,
naman rumarat-rat ka, nasa power yan. So, speaking for sa interior pa, yung
Not keep.
sobrang nakakagulat kasi soft touch material dito sa ibabaw.
I like pearls, not gonna lie.
Yung gitnang part dito, merong mga silver na accent. Yung mga shades
Keep.
ng aircon, regular lang naman, pero yung design kasi niya kakaiba, no? Parang
Keep.
may dalawang
Definite keep.
mahabang rectangle sa ibabaw at ilalim na chrome finish. Kasi yung gitnang part, meron plastic lang naman.
I like silver and
So parang ang signal
pearls.
Tuloy-tuloy yung mga lead na pattern na yun hanggang sa center
Keep.
console. So meron ditong dalawang cup holders, meron din ditong space na lalagyan ng phone sa top of the line. Siyempre, hindi kakaiba pa
Keep.
naman yung top of the line, no? Meron siyang wireless charging. Pero pareho silang merong Android Auto at Apple CarPlay nga pala, ha? Wireless,
keep.
wireless.
This is your partner.
Hindi na ginagawa ganon. Dial na lang to. So pag
Not
tinwist mo pa left, reverse, pag tinwist mo pa right, drive. Tapos pagka magpa-park up, pipilitin mo lang sa ibabaw. Nandito rin yung engine start-stop button. Ang ganda ng itsura, may start-stop sa gitna.
Na.
Pero yung paligid kasi niya parang may hologram. Ang ganda. May ibang controls din dito ng aircon, pati yung infotainment system, yung volume,
So
drive mode,
good.
pati yung
Keep.
kung anong mode na sasakyan yung gusto mo. Kasi meron dito, EV, so electric vehicle, or HEV, hybrid electric vehicle.
Keep.
So pati yung traction control, meron yung control dito. At saka yung hazard button na interest. Leather wrap, yung center armrest, meron din dito yung NFC, so pwede yung
Not
park
keep.
assistant. Sa loob yung space, medyo mababaw, pero... Oh.
Keep. Not keep. This is her tree.
Yung mga upuan dito, champion.
Not cute.
Tapos, kahit mga second mabili, makahawak sa'yo, no? Medyo tuwid ka,
It's like this, but okay, keep.
So, yung gilid, parang black, pero light black. Yung gitna, white, pero parang off-white. Tapos yung mga pipings niya, parang blue, pero alanganin yung gray. Pero ganda tingnan ha. Tapos meron dito mga perforated na parts sa mga gitna. Tapos yung mga gilid, hindi naman siya butas-butas. Sa ilalim ng center console, meron dito lagyan. Tapos meron ng dalawang USB.
Finally, some
Ang manibela, leather wrap din.
Nope.
So, ganito yung kulay nga, no?
Keep.
Light black. Then, yung mga stickings niya, blue. Meron siyang cruise control sa left side, sa controls para sa infotainment sa right side. Upstairs ko dito,
Silver Sakura.
May patawad ko, pero kasang-kasa ko. Hindi ko nasa ulo.
Okay, keep.
Pero yung check mo naman sa likod.
Dito sa loob, maluwag pa rin yung space. Kung si RM yung nakaupo dito, isang fist yung mirror niya, tapos limang daliri naman yung bedroom. Pero sa akin, dalawang fist dito sa mirror, tapos halos isang tangkal yung bedroom. Sa gilid, merong hawakan, merong sabitan, merong bottom holder, pang compartment, meron din tayong seat back pockets, isopix steppers, tatlong 3-point seat belt, merong air tag sa P at saka C-Lars. At meron din tayong aircon belt sa gitna, dalawang type A USB charger, at meron mga compartment na pwede nyo lagyan ng
It's
cellphone.
kinda annoying, but not cute.
In fairness, no?
So the dirt is empty. This is all of my. This is all keep, and this is not keep. So if I found more like this, we're gonna. Yeah. So bye bye.